Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Linked account, game updated, and enough research funds. This saves time. Once done, prioritize the carrier tech tree and the naval aviation branches that lead toward U.S. Navy jets, because the F-18 Hornet sits behind carrier strike progression. Spend research boosts or premium time smartly to avoid stall. Use sorties that grant naval experience. Make sure to keep a mix of air and carrier missions to funnel progression into the exact modules you need. Now you focus on the complex middle steps. Grind required jets and modules that gate the F-18. You research earlier Navy fighters like F-4 and A-4 to unlock higher carrier aviation nodes. This unlock chain matters because you cannot skip tiers. Simultaneously, run carrier ops and strike missions to earn naval RP faster, and apply a talisman or premium vehicle to your most effective grind plane to compound progress. Keep rotating vehicles to maximize daily activity bonuses. To finish, convert your accumulated naval RP and buy the F-18 once the node is unlocked, then immediately fit essential modules and weapons so you can operate effectively. You should practice carrier landings in test drive and finish any qualification missions to make deployment reliable. If progression stalls, inspect your research queue for blocked prerequisites, reclaim unused rewards, and as a last resort convert Golden Eagles to RP. However, prioritize grinding targeted missions first to avoid unnecessary spending.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.